Welcome to this video on source code and binary. We'll explore the difference between human-readable code and machine code and understand how computers process instructions. Source code is text written by programmers using a programming language. It's designed to be easy for humans to read and understand. Source code uses familiar words and symbols that follow logical patterns, making it accessible to anyone learning to program. Here's a practical example written in Python. We define a variable called name and assign it the value Alice. We also create an age variable with the value 25. Then we print a greeting message. Finally, we check if the age is greater than or equal to 18, and if true, we print that the person is an adult. Notice how this reads almost like English, making it easy to understand what the code does. Binary is a machine-readable format that uses only zeros and ones. Computers understand binary directly because these values represent electrical signals. 0 means off, and 1 means on. This is the language that computer processors actually execute. Binary is not designed for humans to read, but it's the only language computers truly understand at the hardware level. Here's an example of binary code representing the text "Hello World." Each sequence of 8 binary digits, called a byte, represents a single character. The first byte 01001000 represents the letter H, the second byte 01100101 represents the letter E, and so on through all the letters. While this is what the computer actually processes, it's clearly not easy for humans to read and write. Let's compare source code and binary. Source code is human-readable and written in programming languages. Binary is machine-readable and consists of zeros and ones. Source code must be compiled or interpreted before execution, while binary is executed directly by the processor. Source code is written for programmers, while binary is designed for computers. Understanding both is crucial for modern software development. Here's how source code becomes binary. First, a programmer writes source code using a programming language. Next, a compiler tool translates this source code into binary. Finally, the processor executes the binary code as electrical signals. This process is called compilation. Some languages use an interpreter instead, which translates and executes line by line, but the concept remains the same. Source code must be converted to binary for computers to run it. Let's recap the main points. Source code is human-readable text written by programmers using programming languages. Binary is machine-readable code using only zeros and ones that computers execute directly. Compilers are tools that translate source code into binary automatically. And the central processing unit, or CPU, executes binary code by interpreting it as electrical signals. Understanding this relationship between source code and binary is fundamental to grasping how software works at every level.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.